Hi friends, Kumud here. In today's video, we are going to do some microgreens. Microgreens, as we all know, they are very nutritious and very good. Can be used in salads and pastas, and you can use your imagination and use the microgreens in any way. They are very good and they are grown very quickly. So we all must grow these microgreens. Friends, some preparation is required to start doing the process. So, I have taken these containers, and these are takeaway containers from the restaurants or sweet containers also, from the sweet shops, and we usually get some mattis or something in these containers. So, they are very good for to grow microgreens, and we have to use the lids also, because you when you start spreading the seeds and all in this, then you have to keep it covered for 2-3 days till the time the real germination has not started. So you see, this is the container, you're seeing it, and I have made some holes in this. Okay, and this is the lid, and I have made holes in this also. And this is that tissue, kitchen tissue or kitchen napkin, and I have taken the size of this container only, and I am putting it on this. So similarly, I have taken 2 more containers like this. This is a date container, friends, and it is its lid. So one is this and one is this. This also same container like this, and this is this height is less than the other one. So all these containers are having lids, and I have made holes in these containers. So in this process, this is in this microgreen growing process, we are going to do it soilless. This is the easiest way, and microgreens can be grown easily within a week period of time. So first we have to make hole, then you have to take the same size of tissue paper and put it inside this, and then you have to wet it. Okay, so I'll just wet it. Oh, this is done, and oh, this is too, the flow is too sharp. Anyways, this is done. Only the tissue has to be wet, and similarly we'll do this also. So I'll show the demonstration in one container only, and similarly we can do the process in other 2 containers also. So to grow microgreens, we can take anything from the kitchen, any seeds like fenugreek seeds or radish seeds, these are leftovers from my radish seed packet, and this is mustard. Microgreens are very nice, and they all have different flavors. So when you put them in your salads or something else, they ooze out that flavor. And these are the 3 things, and I'm going to do this mustard things. And yes, one more thing to remember, that the bigger the seed, like this fenugreek seed is bigger than the mustard seed. So, and this radish seeds, they're also slightly bigger, and they were coated with some chemical. When you buy the packet from the market, then these seeds, you will find they are coated with some chemical, and which is not good for our health. So what we have to do, we have to soak them for some time, wash them properly, and then only we have to use it for sowing, to make microgreens or to make radishes out of these. So, and we can make beets, this thing also, microgreens. They look very nice. They come in red colors. When their microgreens come up, then their stems are red color. They look very nice, beautiful. So you can take out anything like those chana green, this Microgreens also you can make. They can be many things. I'll put in the description box. And let's start the process. I have wet the paper, this tissue paper, and I will. Okay, let me start with this fenugreek seeds. I have soaked these seeds. Actually, I wanted to do the video in the morning, but somehow I couldn't get the time. Some guests came and I had to prepare lunch and all. So now these seeds are soaked for good 4.5 hours. Too long a period, but doesn't matter. They'll germinate well, I'm sure. And we are going to spread these seeds inside this box. So we have to spread them very, very thickly. And these are from the kitchen, so some of them might not even germinate. We have to keep that in account. So we have to put them very thickly, because you must have seen microgreens in the pictures that the germinations in containers of microgreens are very thick. So I have used all the seeds, and now it is looking like this. You have to spread them evenly as much as you can. You see? So just spread them equally in a level, so that maximum seeds are apart from each other. They get space to grow well. Okay, I could have done with more seeds also actually. It's a thin layer, but still it has covered the complete paper. You can make it more thicker than this. Now what we are going to do, we'll take its lid and cover it. Okay, it's covered now. Done? Should I do the other one also? Okay, one more I think I should do for you. This is another container, and I'll wet the tissue like this. Done. And now I'll take these mustard seeds. These I have not soaked. They are for kitchen use only. They are washed already, so nothing to worry about. So there are so many, I can really put a nice thick layer of these seeds. Okay, this is done. Little more I can do with. You have to keep them moist all the time, and to keep them moist you have to take them out, means take these containers out from a dark place and moisten them again by some spray bottle or some bottle or some other bottle which is having holes in its lid. So you have to keep them moist, not wet but moist. So you have to check all the time whether they are getting dry or they are okay, and by third day they will have some germination happen to them. So these two I have made, and rest of the process friends will do in the next video, because now the next video will be after 3 days, and I'll be updating all its progress in my next video. Till then, bye bye, happy gardening.